Hi everyone, this is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Hope everyone's doing well today. I'm just coming on with another concept that I'm working on for Mother's Day. The journey continues. So a lot of us have gotten these baskets from the Easter. I got this one at Walmart, and I was able to find three of these. So I went ahead and I grabbed those. So anyway, so this concept is we'll be using mostly stuff that I got last year after Mother's Day, and I went to different places, so I'm not sure where most of these came from. Some came from Pop Shelf. This right here, Pop Shelf. Uh, this I believe was Family Dollar. Uh, the candle favorite store. And of course, this here from Walmart. Also, I'm sorry. Give me just 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Just when I started recording, one of my kids would call. But anyways, back to this video. So Family Dollar, Pop Shelf, Walmart, Bath and Body Works, Walmart, and Family. Yeah, this was Family Dollar. Back here is the waffle roll uh, from Family Dollar. I got this here from Pop Shelf for Valentine, but I never used it. And I have the foot care products in there. So this is this basket. Let's see if I can bring it a little bit closer. Nothing is pure yet, so yeah, this is this one. I left the purple bow on there and it blends in with some of the purple or lavender, whatever color that is that I have going on there. So let's put this aside for a second. And okay, so I went ahead and wrapped it, but this bag was huge. So it's a little big for this gift. And I believe that's why it's forming the way it is back there. So I'm going to have to get a different size bag, which means I'm going to have to order some because a 24 by 30 will be too small. And I do want to shrink wrap it. I don't want to cello wrap. I want to shrink wrap. But this is what the basket actually really, it turned out a little bit. This is the concept. And this, and if when you see it in person, it really, really do look beautiful. So I hope the beauty comes out in this video right here. So let's see what I have. Okay, so this is another one that I worked on last night using one of my charger plates. And in this one, I have the hand sanitizer. I have one of those colognes or perfumes from the perfume shop. This is from Dollar Tree. I got that last year. I have in here one of the Spa beauty cream. I have a Dove. I have my little rose there. I did not change the ribbon. I just added a little brooch on there to clean it up a little bit. And of course, I have a candle. So that is this concept. And we have on there a pole bowl. So the charger plate came from the charger plate came from Hobby Lobby last year. I got quite a few of them. So yeah, so that is this one. And y'all remember yesterday I was working on these two. Let's see. I was working on these two chair shelves that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this is what they look like. All finished. I'm going to post a short on this. But yeah, this is how they turned out. I think they turned out pretty good. Let's see if I can get a better angle. I have to find a different computer. This computer did not do me justice with my videos. So yeah, that is this one, y'all. Okay. And the last one that I have is the other one that I did. I did this one in purple. And that is my goal. But yeah, so that is those, y'all. So yeah, so anyways, if you made it this far through video, I thank you for watching. I thank you for supporting me. I thank you for your likes and your comments. And I do try to answer all of the comments, just if not with no more than a thank you. And I do follow as many as I can, and I do leave comments or at least a like, depending on what uh which device I'm watching from. So I thank you all for your support. I will continue to support, and until the next video. Oh, before I go, please don't forget to like, comment, and if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're watching, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd like to have you along this journey with me. So until the next video, I will say, see ya and God bless. Bye.